In today's video, I'm going to teach you Method 3, Import a School ICS file, one-time upload. If your school gave you a calendar file that ends in .ics, this method lets you add all those events to your calendar in one go. It's quick, it's clean, and it's perfect for getting an entire term schedule into your view. Just keep in mind, this is a snapshot import. It won't update automatically if the school makes changes later. Start by opening your calendar on a computer. Look to the top right for the gear icon and click it to open Settings. If your window is small and you don't immediately see the gear, try expanding the browser or maximizing the tab so the full menu appears. From there, you'll land in the main settings area where we'll handle the import. On the left-hand side, find and click Import and Export. This is the section built specifically for bringing outside calendars into your account. You'll see an import area with a button labeled Select File from your computer. Click that, then navigate to the ICS file your school provided. Most of the time, it will be